settings on the regulator were off from my settings on the compressor. So what happened was it overfilled this 4,500 psi tank and it blew a disc, a burst disc. So I'm going to show you how to change it. So the simplest way to remove your burst disc is first remove your turbine. Then just unscrew your bleed valve, clean it out. And this is where your burst disc is located, underneath that. So I'd use a 13mm just to break her loose. Remove it. Now these little picks like this come in handy because they're really hard to get to, but this one might be okay. Okay. Alright, so there's what happens when you overfill and your burst disc does what it's supposed to do. Blows a hole in the center. So a replacement disc is just a small piece of brass, I believe they are. And of course you can see it's solid. So you just put those in. Kind of use the same thing. Okay, so that's in place. You can put your burst disc screw back in. Tighten her up. Place your bleed valve screw. Reattach your air line.